Hey friends, it's Amy Deb, the Keto Queen. I'm so excited to be at work on a Tuesday. Who loves their workplace? I do. So guys, I'm so excited to jump on because I'm fixing to take me a short little morning break. I started early this morning at the gym. My alarm clock went off at 5:15. I jumped out of the bed, gave my dog some love, and then ran out the door to the gym, and I've been on the go ever since. So guys, right now I'm about to take me a short little fast break, and I'm going to be mixing me up an iced coffee ketone. If you haven't seen this brand new flavor, this is for my cold brew fans out there, my cold brew lovers. It is so good, and I'm fixing to show you one way that you can use this cold brew. Guys, it's called Buzz Brew. It's caffeinated, but it's not coffee. It actually is going to help you burn fat. It's going to help you gain energy. It's going to help you with your appetite control. So unlike coffee, when you drink it and you crash afterwards, especially when you stop at Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts, all the favorite places, when you fill up with all that sugar they put in their coffees and their frappuccinos, you get to a crash, you get to a wall. Not this way, guys. When you make your own cold brew or your own frappuccino, you actually are going to be energized. You're going to be burning fat while you drink it and feel amazing. Guys, who is drinking my Go Girl mix right now? I want to know who's drinking it right now and what your favorite flavor is. This brand new flavor release is here. It came yesterday, and we plan to have it through tomorrow unless we sell out. Guys, it is so yummy. It is called Buzz Brew. Now, everybody's asking, like, what does it taste like? Guys, it tastes like coffee. It tastes like coffee. That's it. There's not any sweetness. There's not any flavor other than coffee, which makes it amazing because guess what? You get to make it into your favorite cold brew drink. You get to make it into your favorite Frappuccino frozen coffee. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. So this weekend, I actually took one of these packages and I mixed it with ice, heavy cream, vanilla flavoring, and monk fruit. Oh my goodness. I blended my ice and made me a Frappuccino, and it was so good. Yesterday at work, I don't have all my fancy gadgets and ingredients here at work. So yesterday morning, I took it and I mixed it with ice water, and I poured in just a little bit of my sugar-free Italian cream coffee creamer. Oh my goodness. It had just enough sweetness because of the creamer. Now that creamer's not good for you to have every day. Y'all don't beat me up. It's not the cleanest thing, but it made the most awesome iced coffee. It was so good. Today, guys, I'm taking this same Buzz Brew and I'm going to make a different concoction. I love cold coffee. Who out there is a cold coffee fan? I am a cold brew girl all the way. Now, I do love a good venti soy latte from Starbucks, but it has been so long since I had one, and every time I drink it, I always felt so heavy because of all of the stuff they put in them. But guys, this is it. You just mix in your Buzz Brew. And if you're not drinking my Go Girl mix, guys, you may love coffee, but you're going to love our drinks in general. They are amazing. They are delicious, and they work. If you're looking for something to help you with fat loss, energy, and focus, appetite control, better sleep, better skin, then you've got to tell me in the comments, say me, so I can get you details. Now, if you're already a customer and you love your ketones and you are a cold brew fan, then don't miss out, log in. And if you're brand new and you're not buying them yet, guess what? You can actually grab this today if you want to start off with cold coffee. So, okay, we've got our iced coffee. I got it in here. Now, I learned a lesson yesterday. If you put this in here and then you mix it up and you take your top off, it foams up. Oh, I just learned a new lesson. Don't laugh over your coffee powder. All right, so instead of mixing this up and then adding our next ingredient, I'm going to mix it all together. So we're making a good iced coffee with my Buzz Brew. So I got to know in the comments who is my cold coffee fans, like who loves a good cold brew. Most people love hot coffee, but I love a good iced coffee. My daughter loves iced coffee. Now today, I don't know if you guys know it, but we have had some really good flavored cream. And I'm not going to use a lot of this. I'm going to use just a little bit of it. But we have so many flavored creams. If you guys haven't used these before, I don't talk about them all the time because I don't use them every day. But I've got a vanilla bean cream. I've got a caramel macchiato cream. So I'm just trying to decide which flavor do I want in my coffee today. Now, I'm not going to use this whole packet. I'm just going to use it as a seasoning, like a flavoring. If you use the whole packet, you absolutely can. But I'm not going to because I don't want that much sweetness. All right, so I'm trying to decide vanilla bean, caramel frappe or caramel macchiato, or I could just do my vanilla. Guys, if you did your vanilla, it is clean. We're still fasting. When we add a lot of fats, we're breaking our fast. So I'm trying to decide, should I do a vanilla cold brew, or should I do, you know what, I'm going to do this because I love the vanilla bean. So I'm just going to put a little bit in here. Because again, I'm not really looking to break my fast this early in the morning, but I do want this flavor and the sweetness. I'm gonna do a little half package, and I'm probably gonna be breaking my fast, but it's okay. I'll live. All right. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Now, this already has some sweetener in it. If I was just using my my extract, which is clean and good, I would definitely add some monk fruit or some Truvia or something. But who loves iced coffee? I gotta know who my cold brew fans are. It is coffee flavored ketones that is gonna make you feel amazing, that you get to mix up in a blender to make your frappuccinos or just iced coffee in whatever flavoring you like. Now, normally, if I was at home, I'd be using vanilla. I'd be putting a little heavy cream in there and having me a good vanilla, clean iced coffee. But here at work, I ain't got all my gadgets and all my flavoring, so I'm using one of my keto creams here. Keto cream is really good for you as we age. It really helps you with joint health. It's got collagen and all the good stuff for all of the good things for our joints and our skin and our muscles. So good. So good, but I want a little more sweetness. So I'm gonna add a little more flavor. Oh my gosh, that's really good. That is really good. I could just go get me some Truvia or some monk fruit and pour in here, but you know what? Let's just break my fast. I'm breaking a fast. It's gonna be delicious. I normally don't break my fast this early in the morning, but it's gonna be good. All right, so guys, if you were making your own cold brew right now, what would you be putting inside your coffee? What would you be putting inside your iced coffee? I want to know what ingredients you would use to make your favorite or a delicious iced coffee. I've got iced coffee with my Buzz Brew, and I've got vanilla bean keto cream. Hey Lisa, how are you? I see Lucy, Geraldine. Hey guys, hey Sandra, hey Diane, hey Judy. How are you guys? Hey Sheila, I see Jane and Faye. I hope you guys are having a great day. I can't believe it's Tuesday already. I can't believe time just flies so crazy. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Here we go. Delish. All right, guys. As you're jumping on, because I've got to get back to work, I will be checking this feed out later. So as you're jumping on, let me know if you are a cold brew fan, and if you are making your own iced coffee this morning, what are the ingredients you'd be adding? What flavorings, what sweetness, what would you be putting in your iced coffee? This Buzz Brew tastes just like coffee that you get to create the flavor with. It's just coffee. That's all it tastes like, coffee. So you get to make your iced coffee the way you normally would, or frappuccinos the way you normally would, or have dreamed to do. And guys, it's so good. So who in the world wants the crash and the burn from Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts or all the fancy places? Not me. I'd rather drink my iced coffee or my frappuccino burning fat, gaining energy, feeling amazing, no crash, no burn. All right, guys, if you're interested, say me. If you're not drinking ketones, if you're already a customer, log in and get your Buzz Brew. It's here today and hopefully tomorrow, but if we sell out, it's gone today. Talk to you guys later. Bye.